Very good evening, students. Welcome to video class. I hope you all are fine. Right. All of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay. Students, we are in the chapter teeth and digestion. Right. Okay. In previous class, we learnt about different kinds of teeth. Right. Okay. Like baby teeth or milk teeth and permanent teeth about incisors, canines, premolars, molars, right? Okay, and structure of teeth. Okay, teeth have three different parts, right? Enamel, dentine, and pulp. Okay, so enamel is the strongest or hardest part of our body, and dentine is lies below the enamel. It is also hard, right? And pulp lies inside the dentine, right? Students, today in this class I am going to teach you digestion. Okay. So, every day we eat a variety of food, right? Okay. So, the food we eat cannot be used by our body as it is. Okay. And it has broken down into simpler substances. Okay, and that can be absorbed by the blood in our body. Okay, breaking down of food into simpler substances inside the body is called digestion. Okay, so the process of digestion is carried out by the digestive system. Okay, and the main organs of the digestive system are the mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Okay. And the functions of different organs of the digestive systems are okay. So, mouth. Okay. First, we are going to know function of mouth in digestive system. Okay. So, in mouth, okay, the digestion of food begins in the mouth. The teeth chop, chew, and break the food into small pieces. Okay, so the saliva in our mouth makes the food soft and moist. Okay, so the digestion of the food begins in the mouth only. Okay, first the teeth chop, chew, and break the food into small pieces, and the saliva in our mouth makes the food soft and moist. Okay, and after food reaches to the food pipe. Okay, this swallowed food passes through the food pipe and reaches the stomach. Okay, so the function of the food pipe is to push the food down and deliver it to the stomach. Okay, now food comes into the stomach, right? Next important part of our digestive system is stomach. Okay, in the walls of the stomach acids and enzymes are produced. Okay, so they help to break down the food particles further. Okay, the stomach churns the food into a thick soup like paste. Okay, and now the liver releases a digestive juice called bile into the small intestine. Okay, so now the next part of the digestive system is small intestine. Food from the stomach enters the small intestine. Okay, where the digestive juices from the liver and pancreas mix with it and further break down food into small nutrients. Okay, these nutrients are absorbed by the blood through the walls of the small intestine. Okay, and next important part of the digestive system is large intestine. Okay, so the undigested food from the small intestine comes into the large intestine. Okay, the large intestine absorbs water from the food and forms fecus. Okay, and the fecus pass out of our body through the anus. Okay, so the anus is last part of our digestive system. Okay, students, now let's watch small video about digestive system.
The process of breaking down the food into simpler forms that can be used by the body is called digestion. The organs involved in the process of digestion are called digestive organs. The passage of food for digestion in our body is mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. Mouth. The process of digestion starts in our mouth. Teeth break the food into smaller pieces. The saliva present in our mouth gets mixed with the food and makes it soft and easy to swallow. It also helps in the digestion of starch. Stomach. From the mouth, the food passes into the food pipe, that is, esophagus. No digestion takes place here. The movement of the muscles of the food pipe helps to move the food down into the stomach. The stomach is a muscular bag. The digestive juices present in the stomach help to break down the proteins present in the food. Small intestine. From the stomach, food moves into the small intestine. A digestive juice called bile is poured into the small intestine from the liver. Some digestive juices are obtained from the pancreas. These juices get mixed with the juices secreted by the walls of the small intestine and break down the food completely. The process of digestion ends in the small intestine. The food is now digested. The part of the food that is needed by the body is absorbed into the blood through the walls of the small intestine. The blood then transports the essential nutrients all over the body. Large intestine. The undigested food that remains in the small intestine passes into the large intestine. The solid waste is thrown out of the body through the anus. Human digestive system. Mouth, esophagus, liver, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, appendix, anus.
And we need to take in care of the digestive system, right? Okay, so our digestive system breaks down food into nutrients that our body needs, right? Okay, so it is the important to take care of our digestive system. Okay, so we need to follow some simple rules to taking care of the digestive system. Okay, to taking care of the digestive system, okay, we need to eat a balanced diet that is rich in fiber. Okay, so we know, right? Okay, balanced diet, a diet that provides all the nutrients that our bodies need to work properly is called a balanced diet, right? Okay, so we need to intake more roughage. Okay, so these roughage are rich in fibers, right? Like brown rice, wheat bread, fresh fruits and fresh vegetables are rich in fibers. Okay, so we need to limit the intake of fat rich foods. So we know about fat rich foods, right? Okay, so fats provides much more energy than carbohydrates. Okay, however, consuming too much of fats results in the accumulation of excess of fats in our body, right? Okay, so it may causes many health problems, and fats need too much of time to digest. Okay, and we need to avoid junk foods. Okay, like bakery foods, pizza, burger, and all, and avoid too much of tea or coffee, and we need to have your meals at fixed time. Okay, to taking care of our digestive system, and we need to chew food well, and do not overeat, and drink plenty of water for proper digestion. Okay, and exercise regularly but not immediately after a meal. Okay, so these are the some steps to taking care of the digestive system. Okay, students, in this class we learnt about digestive system, right? If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.